क्या आपने कभी सोचा है हाउ वी इंडियंस वेंट फ्रॉम सेविंग्स फर्स्ट टू ऑलमोस्ट योलो यू ओनली लिव वंस काइंड ऑफ इन्वेस्टिंग माइंडसेट इन जस्ट 30-40 इयर्स? और क्या आने वाले टाइम में ये आज का स्टाइल ऑफ इन्वेस्टिंग विल सस्टेन रिटर्न्स? हिस्ट्री रिपीट्स इटसेल्फ एंड मार्केट्स मूव इन साइकिल्स एंड दैट्स व्हाई इट्स सो important to understand how psychology of investing has evolved over time and hence what the future could hold for us. Our grandfathers before 90s had a simple mindset, safety first. इंडिया काफ़ी टाइम से लाइसेंस राज में था, जहाँ बिजनेसेस वर हेविली कंट्रोल्ड और हर चीज़ के लिए अप्रूवल लगता था. द इकोनॉमी वॉज टाइटली रेगुलेटेड, ग्रोथ वॉज स्लोअर एंड नेचुरली पीपल अवॉइडेड रिस्क. पोस्ट लिबरलाइजेशन इकोनॉमी ओपनड अप, बट एक आम आदमी के लिए ये ट्रांजिशन बहुत अनसर्टन था बिकॉज इनकम्स वर लिमिटेड एंड इन्फॉर्मेशन वॉज नॉट ईजिली अवेलेबल एंड दैट्स वाई वी चोज गोल्ड, FDs, पोस्ट ऑफिस सेविंग्स. द फोकस वॉज ऑलवेज प्रोटेक्टिंग कैपिटल. In 2000s, when the incomes grew and awareness increased, people started realizing markets could create wealth. Hence, mutual funds, strong company stocks got popular. Idea was let time do its thing. Probably the true era of coffee can investing. Then, post 2015 came the era of smartphone platforms like Zerodha, which made investing extremely easy and no longer exclusive, and everything was accelerated. Also came the real inflection point, जब Reliance Jio ने internet को extremely affordable बना दिया. Millions of people came online overnight and flow of information transformed forever. Platforms like Twitter, WhatsApp, YouTube turned investing and markets into daily household discussions of news, opinions and tips. Today it's very simple to analyze stocks on places like Screener, ask opinion on Twitter and invest at a click of a button. But the point of this video is to think कि क्या आने वाले टाइम में हम ऐसे ही इन्वेस्ट करेंगे? We think in the coming decade, understanding macro cycles, geopolitical history and international relations, supply chains, geographical dependencies of different countries, scarcity of resources will be just as important as analyzing a single stock. For example, if resource constraints like oil, critical minerals, gas, fertilizers will be under stress because the world is growing at a fast pace and there is a race to secure critical resources for future. Do you think analyzing only a single stock will be the face of investing? Could strategy, scarcity, sovereignty be the new face of investing? Old style was buy what's cheap. We think the new style could be understand who can survive, scale and secure resources. Future will belong to companies who can build capacity, secure raw material and manufacture at scale. In the coming videos, we'll discuss the basics of all these macros. So let me know in your comments how you like the video. Thank you.